Hi, welcome to Look.insite. Today we're going to show you how you can integrate VR into online training. Online training is usually delivered via a learning management platform like this one. It's on a browser, but don't be disconcerted. This could be a desktop browser, could be your mobile phone. In the end, it's the same content. Okay, so we load this website, and from here we can investigate the virtual world. So okay, we find ourselves in front of the Volkswagen Caddy, and faced by these blue spots, which will all contain information about the car. For example, exterior mirrors or wheelbases, etc. Now, this information comes with images, could also be video, PDFs, or even external web pages. The next thing we can do is move around the car. So we find ourselves over here, and looking inside the car, we want to open the doors. Okay, so we have animation possibilities, layered animations, to show different functionalities. Now, normally a salesman would walk around the car to the front and then stop over and get in the driver's seat. We're just going to jump straight into the driver's seat right now. So here we are in the cockpit, provided a lot of opportunities to find out more about the car. Now, as we work through these items, you'll notice that down below we can see this progress report where we can tell how many items or what percentage of the training we've actually completed. Okay, now we will need to go through every single one of these points to complete the training, and we'd need to look around the car to find more. Okay, so we can move to the back of the car a little bit and find more in the places where they're relevant. Now, if we just pop out right to the back of the car, look from behind, we can investigate probably one of the main selling points of this particular vehicle, the loading area, and the ability of the car to serve more than one function. So we're just going to move in here and look at the back seats. Clearly, the way that the seats fold is really significant to the vehicle. And also, the loading compartment in this case is set up for passengers, but we could also see that it looks different when it's in the cargo configuration with a hard floor and a different type of upholstery. So here we are back in the desktop version of the training. Now there are some different features here. One very notable point is that you can move and navigate using the map. Okay. The other thing you'll notice is, for example, when you maximize a bit of text and image, you are then able to go full screen with the image. Of course, that's not relevant when you're in VR because there is no full screen. It's just the width of your point of view in that situation. The other very special extra tool here is that you can find through a menu system where to find particular pieces of information. So we can move through and find things that way. Even though we've moved from one type of experience to the other, we can see that the progress bar is being updated. Okay, go back into the learning management system. You can see our progress is being stored there. So if we go and load it in again, what we can see is we can pick up our training, we can jumping between different devices. So this could be your office desktop machine, or it could be your mobile phone on the way home on the train. It's all the same. What we aim to do is open the world for you for VR and training.